in the heart of this beautiful surah, through the question of being remembered. Us becoming those who are grateful to Allah, living a life that's grateful to Allah, will one day become Allah acknowledging us. In that small surah, that's the journey that's happening. And what's even more beautiful about this surah is in the very beginning of this surah, you see that Allah mentions that we were inside of our mother. نُطْفَةٍ أَمْشَاجٍ نَبْتَلِيهِ. Right? We're inside the belly of the mother. And the belly of the mother is called the Raham, the womb, the Raham. And at the end of this surah, Allah says, يُدْخِلُ مَن يَشَاءُ فِي رَحْمَتِهِ. So he ashara ila raham fil bidayah. He alluded to the raham in the beginning. And at the end he says, whoever he wants, he enters into his rahmah, meaning his Jannah. The same way every one of your needs was taken care of inside of the raham of the mother, that was the first episode of raham, and the final episode of raham is waiting for you and me, and that's the rahmah of Allah actually, and that's the entrance into Jannah. May Allah grant all of us His Jannah. As many of you are graduating or graduated, you leave many memories, wonderful memories of friends, learning, experiences in this university, in this place. A place like this becomes like a home, and it becomes a part of you. And some years will go by and you'll have a job and get married and be busy and other things. And one day you decide to come and visit back, right? To just for memory's sake. You come back to visit the university and you'll see the walls are the same, right? The restaurant is the same. The place you used to hang out with your friends is the same. The place you used to make your wudu is the same. But all the faces are different. Nobody remembers you. This is all amazing, but not for you. It's for somebody else. You've been replaced completely. You're no longer madhkur. Even in this notion of moving forward with our lives, we leave things behind in which we no longer get. A teacher might barely remember you. They'll look at you like, you were in my class, right? You're like, I thought I was your favorite. No, I have many favorites. You're not that favorite. I barely remember your name. Abdul Kareem? No, it's Zubair. Oh, yeah, I said Zubair. Oh, you're not going to be remembered. And so, I and you have to make a decision. As you're leaving this school, as you're graduating, you're thinking about a job, you're thinking about a career, you're thinking about the next chapter of your life. Every one of those chapters has to have one title. How will Allah remember this? How will Allah remember this? I know when you're getting a job, what will my mother say? What will my father say? What are people going to say? How much am I getting paid? Where did I get the apartment? Am I going to get this? Am I going to get that? You have all these questions about prestige and acknowledgement and being madhkur in society. First, if you can just put on top, how will Allah remember this? What impact am I leaving behind? And am I leaving behind something that can continue to make me be remembered by Allah Azza wa Jal? If I'm doing that, then I have succeeded.